Sorry, nandyan pala kayo, no? But anyways, hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw. Ito na naman po si DMRPH and welcome to my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider, Philippines.
Here we go again!
Sorry, nakita niyo yung ginagawa ko sa aking mga bagong gears, no? And today, for you guys, we are going to unbox this beautiful Cardo Packtalk Bold. Sound by JBL. Sorry, hindi ko memorize. Anyways, let's get to it. So, tatabi ko muna dito. So, take two. Here it is, the Cardo Packtalk Bold, the sound by JBL, no? I got this in a promo by Ride Manila in Guijo Street, Makati. And they have this promo wherein you can get this awesome Bluetooth communicator. And this one has the upgraded version of speakers. It's by JBL. And over here, ito po yung promo nila, no? You can get this with this. This is a audio and microphone kit. It's for your other helmet. But this one, we are gonna put in this bad boy. The AGV K1 Solid Luna graphics. But first, here's my intro. I hope you subscribe and notify yourselves for future videos, for future unboxing, review, so on and so forth, whatever. So ito na po, unbox na po natin siya, no? So, yung Cardo Packtalk Bold po is a mesh and Bluetooth communication system made by Cardo. Siyempre, it has a DMC dynamic mesh communication operated by natural voice. It came out a few months ago lang, early 2019. Before I open this box for you, here's some interesting features of this device. Dynamic mesh communication, natural voice operation, it's IP67 waterproof. It has 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers range. It has universal connectivity. It's very simple to use and it has 13 hours of talk time. It can also support up to 15 riders. You can listen to FM stations, MP3s in your phone, in your app, Spotify or Google Music or Apple Music, whatever you're using. You can download your map on your phone and it will guide you without even looking at your phone. And the best part of it is the speakers are made by JBL. Cardo partnered with JBL on this bad boy. So the Cardo Packtalk Bold comes in a black box, no? With this shiny chrome lining of a some sort of a helmet. There's an opening on the top, but you can easily slide it like that. Beautiful Cardo logo at the center.
Wow!
It's so simple, but it's so freaking awesome. Di pala siya sinaslide, ino-open pala to. Sorry. So on Cardo systems, you can view them at Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter, or you can just basically watch them on YouTube. Let's open it. Hindi pala siya sinaslide, no? Binubuksan pala siya ng ganito. Oops. My receipt is inside. Yes. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung magkano dahil malamang papaluin na naman po ako sa puwet ng nanay ko. But yeah, it's kind of expensive. But you're buying not just the brand, you're buying next level technology here. Again, maraming salamat po kay Ride Manila for offering the promo that they have, which is you can get this in this for the price of one. Papakita ko lang po sa inyo what's inside this box, no? Cardo stickers, no? Kasi binuksan na po nila to check the units. Kaya hindi lang nila ibalik ng mas maayos, no? So you have the Cardo sticker, you have the charger, and you have the wall socket for the charging. And over here, you have this shiny Cardo Packtalk Bold communicator. It's so sleek, it's so shiny, it looks robust. And up here is black. Over here is like shiny silver. It's not chrome, but it's silver. And you also have 4 buttons. Bakit po nasabing 4? Kasi may isa dito, may isa dito, isa, dalawa, tatlo, and isang roller na pwede rin pong i-push. So, it's on this plastic, what do you call this? Plastic thingy, no? It sits there, just like that. Yeah. And over here, we have the Packtalk Bold Pocket Guide. You have to download the app, no? No, yeah, the Cardo Connect app on your Google Play or the App Store. For the full version of the manual, go to cardosystems.com/support. Thank you for your purchase. Tell your fellow riders what you think. And I am telling you guys right now, it's awesome based on some reviews I've seen. Lahat po halos ng riders na tinatanong ko kung ano ang best system for communication 2017, 2018, 2019, they all say it's Cardo. But yeah, I came from a Sena SMH5 over here, which I had for a couple of years now, and it's on my trusty old AGV Tartaruga helmet that I've been using for quite some time now. Also, pagdating ng araw, if I've installed it on this AGV K1 Soliluna helmet, magkakaroon po ako ng parang comparison between the Sena SMH5 and the Cardo bad boy that I have here. Important information is for the safety and compliance and warranty booklet that you have here. The installation guide. First time natin babasahin to, bahala na si Batman, marunong naman ako mag-install. And after this installation guide, meron pong 3 ports sa loob itong box, no? 1, 2, and 3. Hindi ko lang alam kung meron silang laman kasi nandito na po sa labas yung mga gamit. So let's just open this, the one in the middle. So what's inside this black box with the hole? So unfortunately, wala na palang naman kasi sila po yung nandito sa loob. Kaya nandito ka na lang muna. So I have here the boom mic, no? Which I think is for half face or modular helmets, no? But not on this full face helmet that I have here, no? And they have this parang booster Velcro pads, I think. For example, masyado siyang malayo, no, sa iyong tenga, you can use this to mali. Yan, para lumapit siya sa tenga natin sa loob ng helmet. Boosters, boom mic, the Bluetooth communicator itself, no? The Packtalk Bold. Hindi na pala siya Bluetooth kasi mesh. So anyways, I have here the JBL speakers. Ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Cardo. I'm not quite sure as to the difference between the normal ones that I have here and this JBL speakers because it's all brand new, no? Hindi ko pa nakakabit. So, gagawin na lang po natin comparison in the future because I have this and lalagay ko siya sa isang helmet ko pa, which I don't know what helmet to use. Doon ko susubukan ilagay ito or whatever I'm going to use for everyday ride because gusto ko na pong pagpahingahin yung aking Tartaruga na K3SP. Galing din po sa AGV. Gusto ko na siya pagpahingahin dahil sobrang dami yun ng gasgas. The JBL speakers, this one, the clip. Ito yung dinidikit sa gilid ng helmet. It has the 3M double adhesive that you paste here in case you cannot fit this clip over here. And this clip will also go in your helmet. Wala namang kasha, but I don't know. Bahala na si Batman. So kung ano man po yung kasya dito sa K1 helmet ko, well then, bahala na talaga si Batman. So ito po yung, kumbaga parang seat, no? Ito yung, dito ikinakabit yung Cardo system. Itong prongs, papasok lang dito sa, I don't know, what do you call this? Sensor, no? So, papasok niya lang po siya, and then, it will clip. Like that. Heard it? The only downside to this clip is, pag ginagalaw mo to with gloves, and napindot mo to, laglag. It's not like the Sena, na pag kinabit mo, mahirap siyang tanggalin, kasi, may rest, no? Meron siyang lock na pinapatungan.
Wow!
So, hindi siya matatanggal basta-basta. Unlike this, ang tingin niyo? Mananaglag kaya to? This, I think, would go on this. Yung hinahanap ko. Yung mic. No? It's inside the helmet. Oh! Wait. What? Wow! So cool, Cardo! Dalawa yung binibigay niya, no? Ito yung naging problem ko dito sa Sena. Anak ng tinapay, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ididikit yung boom mic dahil isa lang yung kasama niyang ganito, no? Yung velcro attachment para dito sa mic, no? At pagka nasira or nawala, hindi mo na alam kung paano ididikit tong punyemas na mic na to. And they also have, sosyalin alcohol prep pad that comes in 2 pieces. Everything you see here except for this one comes also inside of this. So ito po, everything you see here in front of me, except I think for the charger and this one, the socket, is included technically or basically lahat ng ikakabit mo sa panibagong helmet mo, bago lahat. So, kudos to Ride Manila for giving this promo na hindi lang, you won't be able to enjoy the Cardo Packtalk Bold in just one helmet. Ito, lilipat-lipat mo na lang sa helmets mo kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin for that day. Kung feeling mo mas cute ka dito sa helmet na to, then switch it off and then you're good to go. Kudos again to Ride Manila. Thank you guys for letting me review this product, you know. And I hope in future promos that you're going to have ganito pa rin, no? For a lot of riders to be able to enjoy. Ano nga ba itong Packtalk Bold? Bakit ito yung kinuha ko? Dahil meron po siyang tinatawag nila na operated by natural voice. Hindi tulad nitong Sena, you have to press a lot of buttons. You have to press here, you have to press here to give it a command. You take off your hand from the handlebars. Or say for example, you're riding, you have to do this. You have to rotate the jog dial to increase or decrease your volume. In this one, this Cardo Packtalk Bold that I have right here is operated by your natural voice. So what that means is you have a lot of Cardo commands na hindi mo na kailangan alisin yung kamay mo sa handlebar. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comments or whatever. Ask me questions and notify yourselves for future videos. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider Philippines. This is DMRPH and I hope you check out my other videos and please ride safe. Babush.